We've got 3 tips. Start of summer, 3 simple tips I want to share with everyone. Come over here. You guys stand there for a second.
We'll be right
Listen,
back.
hoses laying around the yard can be a real trip hazard. And if you want to try something just a little creative and different, go to the Goodwill store, find an inexpensive bucket. Get a drill and attach the bucket to a wall or a post, and then this serves really simply for hanging a hose on this against the house. Really simple. Really super simple and easy.
Now we move over there.
Okay, I actually did this at my house next to the back door where there are kids running in and out of the house.
Out in Palm Springs?
Yep, in Palm Springs. Because I have a lot of nieces and nephews, they track dirt into the house. I got a larger box than this and set it in the ground a little bit, and then I filled it with river rocks and made sure that there was a hose next to it. And before the kids come into the house...
this has slats on the bottom.
They stand on this...
They stand on that and hose their feet off.
Wash all the dirt off their feet.
I like that.
But there's an extra tip I wanted to drop in here. If you spend any time at the beach, especially with kids, take a small container of baby powder. If you sprinkle baby powder on your feet, the sand drops off your feet instantly.
Shut up.
Yeah, it's super simple. There you go. So listen, Lynette, you're my assistant.
Okay.
I would like you to help me with this tip. A lot of people have trouble knowing where to hang barbecue tools.
Okay.
So here's another simple, easy tip. Go to a Goodwill store and buy an old rake. Cut the handle from it.
I see where he's
and
going.
then we're going to hang this next to the barbecue. So can you see the nail there on the wall?
Yes.
Do you think you can hang that up on that? That's it? You got it there? Good. And then, Rachel and Lynette, help me out here.
Okay.
Simply take the barbecue tools, and it's a really simple, easy thing to do next to the barbecue.
Huge. That's all right. I like that. That's all right.
Really simple.
You go home and enjoy. Thank you, Peter, for making Lynette